AI is a powerful tool, but it does not replace lawyers. It actually enhances lawyers' ability to provide quality service more efficiently. I was reluctant to incorporate AI into our practice for a long time, and primarily because we've all heard horror stories. There's been lawyers that have been sanctioned for citing cases that do not exist. There are privacy concerns when lawyers are sharing confidential client information and developing legal strategies with an open source AI bot. And more recently, we've heard that there are courts that have ordered some lawyers to produce their AI communications to the other side because they are not confidential. So these are all very real concerns that businesses and law firms in particular need to take into consideration when they decide what AI tools to utilize. But the technology landscape is changing very quickly. And there are now AI tools specifically designed for lawyers that alleviate or eliminate these privacy concerns and allow lawyers to review and revise contracts more efficiently and effectively, perform legal research on real case law, and importantly, review substantial amounts of data in discovery and hone in on key issues and provisions that are vital to the dispute or the agreement at hand. So, for us as a business, it's been crucial to work on identifying the right AI tools and making sure that we're implementing the right tools that are going to allow our lawyers to better serve our clients, and simultaneously investing in resources and training our team so that we know how to maximize these resources. I'm also seeing clients that are implementing AI tools in their businesses, and it's allowing them to accelerate their growth and stabilize their revenues more efficiently. They're using AI for marketing, for social media and website content, for product development and client relationships. So AI is an incredible tool, and I think that those that start to identify the right AI tools, training with it, and maximizing its use are going to improve their business overall.